SR Contractors is a Portland, Oregon-based contractor that has been using our innovative SR foam since 2002 to improve the seismic resiliency of residential and commercial buildings. In this video, we are pouring SR foam to reinforce a brick masonry basement wall. The wall assembly shown in this video is SR Contractors' basement or BSW wall system. Because of the unique design of this project, SR foam placement is occurring from the outside, allowing clear visibility of the foam installation and expansion process. The SR foam flows for the first 10 to 15 seconds before it begins to expand. For the first 5 minutes of expansion, the foam expands quickly and fills all the connected voids. As the SR foam dries, a strong bond is formed between the foam and the substrates, providing a lasting connection between them. SR foam was specified on this project to strengthen the brittle, segmented brick basement walls. SR foam will strengthen the basement walls to resist the load from the surrounding soil. SR foam provides a continuously bonded support of the brick in the event of an earthquake. In older homes, the connection between the foundation walls and the level above is often insufficient. The complete BSW wall system works together with the foam to replace the existing connection. To learn more about SR foam, visit our website at www.sr-contractors.com or call us at 503-246-1480.